my poetry in a space like this. So मेरी नानी एक कवित्री हैं एंड वो हमेशा ये कहती हैं, हाँ हमारे पूरे परिवार में ये कविताओं का सिलसिला चलता है, तो ये कहती हैं कि कविता कभी आती नहीं, लिखते नहीं, वो कविता फूटती है। जब भाव से आप भर जाते हो तो कविता उमड़ के पानी की तरह बहती है। तो भाई मेरे तो इमोशंस थोड़े बचपन से आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल थे। सो मैंने पहली अपनी कविता बड़बड़ाई ही थी। मम्मी काम पे जा रही थी, शी इज अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल, तो सुबह 8 बजे की शिफ्ट से 10 बजे आती थी, तो मैं 5-7 की रोती थी। तो मैं आपको धीरे धीरे करके पूरे 5 मिनट में अपने हर एक वेरिएशन से या वर्जन से मिलवाती हूँ। वर्जन फर्स्ट, गुल फूल, जो कहती है अपनी मम्मी को, मेरी मम्मी आती है, मेरी मम्मी जाती है, मेरे लिए कुछ ना कुछ लाती जरूर है, फिर भी मेरे आंखों में आंसू क्यों आते हैं। 4 शब्द, मुझे नहीं पता मैंने कब लिखे, मम्मी ने पर 6 महीने तक कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट नहीं किया, सो पर्पस सॉल्व्ड। अब हम धीरे धीरे बड़े हुए, 11, 12, 13, सो स्कूल गए। There was a different personality. I got my first name changed and it became Ojaswini. Ojaswini, the fire, the confident fire. And she had some questions and very, very focused on rhyme because she was learning to write. So she wrote her first poem looking for the divine called Hooray, I Found Him, which says, once upon a time I was on my way to go and look for him. I took my bag and I took my snack. I took some snack and everything I needed was packed. Once upon a time, I was on my way to go and look for him. I looked in the valleys and in the woods, but it was no use. I couldn't refuse. I wasn't the winner. My blood became thinner. Out, I cried. To stop, I tried. When tired I was, pitting on my loss, then I find, as I look behind, that he was there, for whom I searched everywhere. God came to meet. He even had a seat. I was really pleased. But then complained I, what about the hard work of man? If he came on his own, why were all these troubles shown? Refused he to show any troubles to me. Just one thing he said, I never heard that you said while having breakfast or in the bed that I want to meet the Lord. Where is the God? You just went on a search without calling me at first. And when you called me, you can see. And then I realized that maybe he was right. I didn't need to fight. And I was happy that in the end everything was alright. Because once upon a time, I was on my way to go and look for him. So this was the 13-year-old Ojaswini. Then we enter the angry young woman era. The 21-year-old Ojaswini Gul, who is now just tired of all the men. I'm so sorry. She's just hating them. And then she writes, be the bitch you are. And this is, be the bitch you are. Remain unapologetic. Demand more. You deserve it. You're the lion and the lioness. You're the king and the queen. You're the world and the universe. Demand more. You deserve it. Roar, order. Be that bitch. Be the boss. You deserve it. Call a spade a spade. Beat him. Win it all. Speak your mind. Share your pain. Wave that feminist flag. Be the bitch you are. Slut, man-eater, aggressive, anarchist, loud, wild, radical. Go through the labels just the way you go through your lipstick shades. Order that cake, eat it all and relish it. Demand more, you deserve it. Be the bitch you are. Remain unapologetic. But then something more happened. There was a lot of pain, COVID, loss. We all have our own version of it. And then we reached Ojaswini Gulpriya. So she was not that wild, she wasn't that angry, she was more empathetic. She could understand, she could empathize, she saw. And then she wrote the burning question, which says, tell me, my Lord, if I become Shakti and let my hair run wild, if I charge the demons and tear their forms apart, if I drink their blood and embody death themselves, if I let the fury be my name and become the force untamed, will you lie before me and let your ego die? Will you see my power and bow down to my wild? Will you worship my divinity and honor my supremacy? For I am Shakti, but are you Shiva? And with that, we have reached the new era of Rishmani, where she becomes a midnight poetess talking to people for the first time. And that's it, and let's see what she writes next. Thank you so much.